show you guys something I picked up. I didn't even know existed, but I wanted to, when I stumbled into it, I wanted to give it a try. This is an adapter that fits the Dewalt 20V batteries, and 60V batteries for that matter, that allows you to use it with the old Craftsman 19.2 volt tools. And it also gives you a nice USB charger port. I had this set, just a basic driver drill set. Sorry, where's my driver? And used them for a few years and loved them. They worked fine, lots of power. I haven't done a direct comparison with my Dewalt set that I have now, but I would say they were as good as those. But I ended up getting the Dewalt set because the old NiCad batteries died. Now I did try refurbishing these once, and they worked for a while and then died out again. And how I ended up finding this adapter was I started considering converting these to lithium batteries. The problem is, though, that you need a special charger for lithium batteries, so I couldn't use the charger that came with these. So it was and you know, if you started adding all that up, it ended up being quite a bit of money for a set that I don't use anymore. But this was 20 bucks or 22 bucks or something like that. So I thought, well, I'll give that a try. If I can get a whole new set back for that, I already have the batteries. I'm a little worried that this is going to work as well as my Dewalt set, and then I would have wished I just bought this and some batteries instead, but here we are. So that just clips right on. Oh, how does it come off? Oh, this lock. Oh, okay, so it's got two locks on it, right? It's got the old Craftsman style locks, but that's for the top part. I was trying to take it off with those. That's not going to work. And then it uses the normal Dewalt lock for the bottom. So the Dewalt battery comes off the normal way. And then this whole unit, faces the right way, should fit in there, and it nice and snug, no jiggle at all. Let's try what happens. Look at that! High, low. The old girl runs again. Alright, so I have, just to try it out, I've got an old, not too bad, 1/2 inch drill bit. It's sharper than I thought it was going to be, actually, so it might be alright. That I'm going to try out in the drill. And then I've just got a about 3.5 inch, 3 or 3.5 inch deck screw that I'm going to try driving in with the driver. I've got a piece of hardwood, just a piece of firewood over here chalked up. So let's give that a try and see how they work. Oh, I didn't check when I grabbed this bit. It's a 1/2 inch chuck bit. 1 minute, I have to get something else. Okay, I think this is a 3/8 chuck bit. Yeah. Okay, so this is also 1/2 inch, not quite as sharp. 3 inch chuck. I'm going to put it on low speed first. Try that. Right through. Look at that. That worked great. High speed. Fantastic. So not as much power as the Dewalt ones, but still a great set. And it has a nice feature that I've always wished my other ones had. It's got a bubble level down here at the bottom, so when you're holding it vertical you can line it up nice, and just a level right up here on top, just a normal level that's lined up of course with your bit. Really handy, that I wish my current drill set had. Alright, let's try the driver. So pull this out, if I can get my hand in there. There we go. Put it on the driver. Chuck up a little Robinson bit. Let's try driving this in, pulling it back out and see what happens. Oh, reverse. Fantastic. So if you have an old Craftsman 19.2 tool set, there was other tools there they sold as well. I believe there was a circular saw. That's all I can remember seeing back in the day. I'm sure there was other tools as well, probably a grinder or something. But so if you have any of these tools or see any like at a yard sale or something that someone's basically giving away for free because the batteries are dead, remember this. For a 22 taxes, say $25 item, you can oops, I keep doing the wrong way. You can quickly bring these tools back to life and use them in your shop, in your second shop, whatever you're going to do. So now that I've got this set, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I don't have any children to pass them down to or anything like that to use as their first set. But I'll keep an eye out for somebody with some young teenagers who needs a set and I can pass them on. Or could use them at my camp maybe, although I think we have a set up there already. Anyway, big success, strongly recommend. I'll add the link to where I got this in the description. Although if that, you know how sometimes those links just stop working, so that seller stopped selling them. If you just search for the Dewalt Craftsman adapter, I'm sure you'll find this very quickly. That's all I did and found it right away. All right, that was a big win. Very excited about that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you save some old tools from the landfill that are always been a great set for me and now will continue to be.